What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions. It's just a car discussion channel, guys. Hopefully you like this kind of stuff. Do check out my other videos. Do fucking smash the subscribe button and even comment below. I bring up your comments every Sunday. We've got an absolute fucking firecracker of an episode today. It's all big hitters. Got Triple F Connection, DD, Stradman, and a few others on top of that. Also, guys, if you want to hit me up in my DMs on Instagram, you can follow me over there as well. Send me stories, or if you're a small car channel and want to come on for a podcast, that would be pretty dope as well. And yeah, we should just jump into today's episode, and we are going to be kicking it off with Triple F Connection because, my Christ, guys, what can you say about them? Like, now they're specing another Chiron, but this time it's the Super Sport. And it was such a cool way to see how you go about speccing a hypercar. Like, I don't know how much it's going to cost them. Maybe 3.5–4 million. I'm thinking thereabouts. And if you haven't watched the episode, I highly recommend go watch it. And let me know in the comments below what spec you'll go for. This one for me, the one they picked, was actually my favourite spec, believe it or not. The one that they actually decided to go with is the one I actually really liked. Full carbon body, and the same blue that's on their other Chiron as the racing stripes, and the carbon covers for the engine, the WD-16 engines, and the blue interior. Like, it's not all blue, and I don't like too much blue. I'm glad they don't go with the blue carpets, but the rest interior is lovely. I like it. They went with aluminium brushed knobs on the center console. I mean, that's really, I don't know about the aluminium. Let me know what you think about the aluminium, guys. I'm not the biggest fan of it because I've gotten so much the carbon lately. So I would have went for a carbon looked center console and knobs and stuff like that. But what they've picked spec wise, absolutely fucking spot on. I can't wait to see if they go ahead with it. Wasn't feeling the red. The second one I would have picked is the purple. The purple and carbon would have been pretty sweet. The wheels they went with, I don't like the wheels that they picked over the ones that were being shown on the previous ones. I'm not the biggest fan of them, but what an unbelievable car. Can't believe we're getting a second fucking Chiron. Like, it's nuts, and they've just been crushing it. They just keep the content going, just keep the cars coming in. Let me know what you think of the spec in the comments below, guys, or did you think they should have different cars? Let me know what you think of Triple F Connections channel as well. Next up is going to be Giga Exotics, another hypercar incoming into another channel. Haven't covered this guy in a while. Basically, as you probably know, his dad is like a really rich, like in billionaire territory rich, and like, this Regera is fucking insane. Like, it's green with gold. I think it's 24 karat gold on the wheels. It's just in depths of just carbon fucking everywhere. It's just absolutely nuts. My God, like, what a machine. Now, if any, my regular viewers know that the Regera is by all time #1 car in, like, out of every car that's out there in the world. I absolutely love it. Now, this spec is pretty cool, but it wouldn't be a spec I would go for. Like, it's really out there. I'm not the biggest green gold person. If it was green and carbon fiber, I'd be fine, but it's definitely different. Interior is lovely on it. Just the way it came out. Not too sure how much he spent on it. I'm presuming probably same price around the Chiron. I would say a Chiron Super Sport, I'm thinking. And they have, like, he has a load of more cars coming in soon as well. I think they have the custom Pagani coming in, they have the Jesko coming in, or is it the Gamera? I think it's the Jesko they're getting. Like, when these cars start coming in, like, it's just, you wonder if his son's going to end up getting to drive these cars. But yeah, let me know what you think of the spec below, guys, in the comments. Would you spec the Regera this way? I'm not the biggest fan of it, but it's still really fucking cool looking, so don't get me wrong, I really do like it. But let me know what you think of Giga Exotic's channel if you do watch it. Next up is going to be DD, and DD's latest video, guys. So much to cover in this to take in. Where do I even start? First off, obviously Dave got new wheels on the 675 LT. I knew it was going to be these wheels, the HRE ones, the ones that basically Ray has in his stock room and puts them on nearly every fucking supercar that's there. It's always the same wheels, like the same ones that are on the CGT. Now, on the 675 LT, I absolutely love them. They really do suit the car down to the ground. I really, really love them. But it's, again, guys, for me, I'm just being honest, it's getting old seeing these wheels keep going on the same cars sometimes. They seem to be doing the rounds, but they look spot on the 675 LT. We found out that the F12 is practically finished. The hood has gone on it. It looks fucking insane with the turbo sticking out. Can't wait to see this thing finally done. I think he's getting it pretty much ready for when they arrive back in the States. I'm presuming they may do a road trip down to it or something, or a road trip it back or whatever. Fucking madness, like the way it's come out. Fair dues to him, like, for getting it done. Kaufman just knocked it out of the park, so can't wait to see it start up and with the finished products. But yeah, let me know what you think of the F12, guys. It's pretty nuts. And there's another thing, their new merch line that's coming out. They've had Anthony working away on a lot of their merch. I understand it's a big thing for them selling merch. I don't know if anybody's watching here, do you have some DD merch, or anybody there? One colour I was thinking that they haven't done, they should do a grey hoodie with the gold writing, like the CGT with gold wheels. That would be pretty sick, I think, that combo. I mean, like, I'm thinking now for myself, just for myself, guys, I'm thinking, because the summer's in, I might get 2 or 3 custom t-shirts made for 5-star cars. I'm thinking the black and luminous orange. I'm trying to think of some other colours as well. Any suggestions for colour combos for the logo down below, let me know. I might get a few made just for myself for making videos, but their merch lineup is pretty fucking sick. They've made some really nice colours, some nice hats. But yeah, they've just been killing it. And he was, and the other news is they're going on the Gumball 3000 rally next year from Toronto, where I used to live, down in this Toronto. From Toronto down to the Indy 500, down to Atlanta, I think, Atlanta to Miami, Miami to Cuba. That's basically where they're going. That's going to be unbelievable. And he's driving the CGT. That's going to be fucking sick. That's going to be an unbelievable rally, and some vlog when it gets done as well. So can't wait for DD to do that. They're really up in their game, and yeah, it's going to be some crazy shenanigans when they end up going down to the States. Cannot wait for it. Next up is going to be Stradman, guys. His latest video, he's finally gotten his 1/1 FI exhaust on his Aventador Roadster. Wow, all I can say is fucking wow. What an exhaust system. It is ridiculous. If you haven't heard it, well, here you go. Here's a quick clip for you guys.
You gotta be real confident to drive a big Lambo around. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is what confidence looks like.
Holy shit, guys, that thing is loud. I mean, like, fair dues to them. FI have knocked it out of the park with that one. It sounds epic, very high pitched, just so sick. That car actually came out better than what I thought it did. His house is coming along really well. The concrete is down. What is his 6x6 is nearly is practically wrapped as well and done. I think it's actually finished. Stradman's just got a lot going on. I mean, he's got his new, I'm going to be covering his new car coming down from Canada, his new supercar as well. Like, there's just so much to look forward to with Stradman with his videos lately. Let me know what you think of the FI exhaust below, guys, in the comments. Yeah, do you like it? Do you not like it? I fucking love it. Fair dues to Stradman, because that one is an absolute killer. And last up on the list, guys, I gotta cover TJ Hunt's news video on his Supra that has finally gotten the turbo setup properly done by Precision, I think they're called. And my god, it sounds unreal. I know you don't really hear the turbo spooling in it, but I forgot how gorgeous his Supra looks in this kind of deep blue with the carbon. It looks, I completely forgot how sick it is. And this new setup, it's not even tuned yet. When it gets tuned, it's going to be absolutely fucking sick. But just here's a quick clip for you guys to show you like what it sounded like going past with the new turbo setup on it.
Shit.
And there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think of TJ Hunts Supra in the comments below. Do you love it? If I had the money, I think that would be the spec I'd go for like his blue and the carbon. I absolutely love it. I wouldn't go with those wheels. I would go with different wheels. But it's like, and it sounds like the turbo spools so early on in the gears as well. It's fucking insane. When that thing is tuned, it's gonna be an absolute beast. And hopefully he makes the wastegate external. I would love to hear that on the Supra, but it kind of does sound like the old Mark IV Supras as well. I love it. It's come out so well, and I cannot wait to see the finished final product when it gets tuned, to see what it sounds like. But that thing coming down the road is, with that kit in it and that colour, absolutely one of my favourite Supras out there. It's so sick, guys. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. That is it for today, guys. Thank you an absolute million if you've watched the end. Again, if you're new and you have watched this far, please do just smash the subscribe button, give the channel a chance. All my regular commenters, viewers, you've been killing it. Please keep smashing that like button and commenting below. And yeah, guys, please check out my videos when they come up here at the end. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Please do let me know in the comments below if you have. Until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.